Most gadgets look cool for 5 minutes and then end up in a drawer forever. But today's list is different. These are gadgets under $25 that people actually use, daily, weekly, without thinking. Some of them save time, some save money, and a few quietly fix problems you didn't even realize were annoying you every single day. Watch till the end because number 1 is the kind of gadget that once you use it, you'll never go back.
Gadgets number 15. USB Rechargeable Plasma Lighter. At first glance, it looks like a simple lighter, but it completely changes how you think about one. There's no flame, no gas, no refills, and no wasted money over time. Instead, it uses a high-voltage plasma arc that lights instantly with a single button press. Wind doesn't matter. Light rain doesn't matter. It works every time. You charge it once and use it again and again. Whether you're lighting candles, gas stoves, BBQs, or using it during power cuts, this gadget quietly replaces disposable lighters forever. It's safer, cleaner, and feels modern without being complicated. Gadgets number 14. Floor Drain Hair Catcher. This is one of those gadgets you don't think about until your drain gets clogged, and then you wish you had it earlier. Hair, food scraps, and tiny debris slowly build up inside pipes, causing bad smells and expensive plumbing problems. This flexible silicone catcher sits on top of or inside the drain and traps everything before it becomes a problem. It's easy to remove, easy to clean, and fits almost any sink or bathroom drain. Instead of reacting to a clog, this gadget prevents it silently every single day. Gadgets number 13. Motion Sensor LED Night Light. This small light changes nighttime comfort more than you'd expect. It automatically turns on when it detects movement and turns off by itself after a few seconds. No switches, no bright lights hurting your eyes at night. Perfect for hallways, stairs, bathrooms, or bedrooms. It makes your home feel smarter and safer, especially for kids or elderly family members. And because it only turns on when needed, it saves energy without you thinking about it. Gadgets number 12. Magnetic Cable Organizer Clips. Cables falling off the desk, tangled wires, chargers disappearing behind furniture. This gadget fixes all of that in seconds. These magnetic clips stick to your desk or wall and hold charging cables exactly where you want them. Once placed, your cables are always within reach, always organized, and never messy. It instantly makes your workspace feel cleaner and more professional, and you stop wasting time looking for cables. Gadgets number 11. Mini Electric Screwdriver Kit. Manual screwdrivers are fine until you need to open multiple screws or deal with small electronics. This mini electric screwdriver handles that effortlessly. Perfect for phones, laptops, toys, glasses, small appliances, and DIY fixes. It comes with multiple precision bits and enough power for everyday repairs. Instead of struggling or hurting your fingers, this gadget makes fixing things feel easy and satisfying. Gadgets number 10. Foldable Adjustable Laptop Stand. Long hours on a laptop slowly destroy posture without you noticing. This stand raises your laptop to eye level, instantly reducing neck and back strain. It's lightweight, foldable, and strong enough for daily use. Whether you're working, studying, or watching videos, your body feels the difference within days. This gadget doesn't just hold your laptop, it improves comfort, focus, and long-term health. Gadgets number 9. Digital Kitchen Scale. Eyeballing measurements leads to wasted ingredients and inconsistent results. This digital kitchen scale gives precise weight measurements for cooking, baking, dieting, and meal prep. It's thin, accurate, and easy to clean. Whether you're counting calories or perfecting recipes, this gadget brings consistency and control into the kitchen without taking up space. Gadgets number 8. USB Rechargeable Handheld Fan. Heat makes everything uncomfortable. This small handheld fan delivers powerful airflow in a compact design. Rechargeable, portable, and quiet enough for daily use. Great for travel,
outdoor work, power outages, or simply surviving hot days. It's one of those gadgets you don't think you need until you use it once. Gadgets number 7. Car dashboard phone holder. No magnets, no sticky glue, no complicated installation. Just place it on the dashboard and your phone stays exactly where you put it. It doesn't slide during turns, braking, or bumps. Perfect for navigation and hands-free driving. Simple design, surprisingly strong grip, and zero distractions. Gadgets number 6. Electric lint and fabric shaver. Most people throw away clothes not because they're damaged, but because they look old. Tiny fabric pills slowly build up on sweaters, hoodies, coats, blankets, and even sofas, making everything look worn and cheap. This electric lint remover quietly fixes that problem. With a single pass, it removes fuzz without cutting or damaging the fabric. You literally watch old clothes return to life in front of your eyes. It saves money, reduces waste, and gives your wardrobe a second chance. Once you use it, throwing clothes away starts to feel unnecessary. Gadgets number 5. Door handle stopper. This gadget solves a problem people ignore until the damage is done. Doors hit walls thousands of times over the years, slowly leaving dents, cracks, and ugly marks. This simple stopper absorbs the impact silently. No noise, no damage, no stress. It installs in minutes and works forever without maintenance. You don't notice it daily, but your walls stay clean, your paint lasts longer, and your home stays protected without effort. Gadgets number 4. Wi-Fi Smart Plug. This is one of the smartest gadgets under $25 because it changes how you control electricity without replacing anything. Plug it in, connect it to Wi-Fi, and suddenly lights, fans, heaters, or appliances become controllable from your phone. You can schedule devices to turn on or off automatically, cut power remotely, and avoid wasting electricity. It's especially useful when you forget to turn something off before leaving home. One small plug that saves energy, adds convenience, and feels like a future upgrade. Gadgets number 3. High-power LED flashlight. During power cuts or emergencies, phone flashlights fail quickly. This compact LED flashlight delivers real brightness, long battery life, and dependable performance when you actually need it. It's small enough to keep in a drawer, car, or backpack, but powerful enough to light large areas clearly. Whether it's night travel, emergencies, or outdoor use, this flashlight gives peace of mind. You don't use it every day, but when you do, you're glad it's there. Number 2. Touchless automatic soap dispenser. This gadget quietly upgrades hygiene in your home. Instead of touching a pump with dirty hands, it releases soap automatically when it detects your hand. That means fewer germs, less mess, and controlled soap usage. It feels premium, looks modern, and works smoothly every time. Once people use it, they don't like going back to manual dispensers. It's a small daily improvement that you notice every single time you wash your hands. Number 1. Multi-purpose deep cleaning brush set. This is the kind of gadget that changes how you clean without making noise about it. Designed for corners, grout lines, sinks, bathroom tiles, shoes, keyboards, and hard-to-reach areas, these brushes do what normal brushes simply can't. Dirt that usually takes effort comes off easily. Cleaning becomes faster, more controlled, and less exhausting. Once you use this set, you realize most cleaning struggles weren't about effort, they were about using the wrong tool. So those were the top 15 most useful gadgets under $25 that actually make everyday life easier. All the product links are in the description below. If this video helped you find even one useful gadget, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which one you liked most. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.